Welcome to your Client Collaboration Hub. This will be the new center for your tax return. The hub connects you and your accountant, so you can collaborate and share information about your tax return through a secure channel. You will experience lots of key benefits when you use your Collaboration Hub. These include a seamless way to electronically review and sign your engagement letter when one is required. The lengthily tax return organizer is a thing of the past. The Collaboration Hub splits the organizer into two smaller components, a questionnaire and a document request list, as well as many new features we will discuss. And finally, when your tax return is complete, you can review, electronically sign, and download your tax return. You can also view and pay your electronic invoices when posted. To start using your new Collaboration Hub, you will need to create your username and password. You will receive a welcome email. It will contain your personalized registration link that you will need to complete this process. Once logged in, your dashboard will contain some quick access information, as well as a link to Get Started. The task list will keep you on track to complete all the necessary steps we need you to perform so we can prepare your tax return timely. When a step is done, it will be checked off as completed in the list. Click on Answer Questionnaire to open your personalized organizer. Answer the questions to provide us details about your life events this past year. In the first section of the questionnaire, simply review the information we already have on file. Click on Edit to make any updates. Click on each of the 4 steps across the top of the screen to complete your personal information section. Step 4 contains taxable events. We will ask some high-level questions about the types of events that you participated in this year. Your answers to these questions will dynamically change the remainder of the questionnaire. This way, you're not answering lots of questions that don't apply to you. The remainder of the questionnaire is broken into smaller categories, which will track your progress. As you make your way through each category, it will be marked complete. Return to this main page to see your progress and complete any categories that still need information. When the entire questionnaire is done, it will be marked complete on the task list. Next, move on to the document request list. The document request list is a simplified list of documentation you need to gather for us. It is presented in a checklist format. The request list contains a list of last year's information. This will enable you to easily see what documents you need to gather and send to us. Drag and drop a file on a line item or click the up arrow to upload a file from your computer. Additionally, you can use connections to help automatically collect the files you need. Connections are very helpful. You build a connection directly to your online accounts, and we retrieve your year-end statement for you. Connections will save you lots of time. You don't need to visit each of your accounts separately to download your statements. Connections are safe and secure. They use the same encryption methods as your bank. Click on Add Connection to open the Connections wizard. Locate your financial institution. Enter your username and password to the site, and a connection is built. Sometimes, you may need to add a personal PIN or additional information as noted by a fix-it icon. Successful connections will continue to look for year-end statements and pull them in when they are available. When you have completed the document request list and all the other steps, click Send to my accountant. This will notify us that you have completed the steps and gathered all your required tax documents. You will see when there are documents you did not attach prior to marking your organizer as complete. Go to the missing items and upload them. Otherwise, sit back and relax while we work on your return. When we have completed your tax return will be available in Client Collaboration for your review and electronic signature. If your tax return is acceptable, apply your digital signature to authorize us to e-file your return. And once all signatures are complete, a final copy of your return will be delivered here. You should download it and keep a copy for your records. This wraps up the introduction to your Client Collaboration Hub, the new center for your tax return. Our goal is to streamline the tax return process, make it more efficient, and hopefully more enjoyable for you. Thank you.